Oh hello, welcome to another well side-by-side video. I'm into my second week in the 20 mph speed limits in Wales, and ever since we've dropped into the 20 limits I've noticed my fuel consumption has absolutely dropped like a stone. What you see on the fuel consumption meter here is the worst I've ever had out of my Yaris hybrid. 49.7 as an average on a tank of fuel. This thing in the past has always been mid-60s. This 20 zone isn't working. It's costing people more money. It's costing them more time and a lot more frustration.